Just got, it's a new power inverter. It's 3,000 watts, up to peak of 6,000 watts. Basically takes your 12 volt DC and turns it into 110. So it does come with a remote with a long cord. Remote will just plug into here. Then you've got your on off and then the push button there. So, and then you can insert that into something. Got the USB and the DC, and then it also has the dual AC. Great for camping, maybe an RV out in the woods, maybe a honey shack that doesn't have power to it, where you can run it off a battery. Now this can run off all different types of battery with the pure Sine waiver. So it's obviously it's real safe, like I said, for all battery types. It does have overload, overvolt and undervolt protection, and then obviously overload protection too if you got too much, you're trying to put too much wattage into it. So I've already connected the positive, and it comes with 2 different cords here. And then for the negative, this was on here, like I'll just show you. Take that off. Okay, then I'm gonna hook up my negative. I'm just have to tighten these down a little bit more. And the nice thing that it has once we tighten it, just to show you, then it's got a protective cover. Keep it from, for some reason, yeah, whatever it's gonna. Okay, I'm gonna tighten those up a little bit. Then it's got the fans in the back here, and these will get hooked onto the positive, negative of your battery. So, like I said, it comes in the remote. Also comes with extra fuses for some reason that you blew your fuse. You can also mount it permanently onto something if you want, maybe on a wall of a hunting shack or something, or wherever you need to be, just so it's secure. Then, like I said, it's real easy. User manual, step by step, it talks about all the wattage and that. So then obviously the fan and the AC outlet, and does have an LCD screen on there which can tell you everything that's going on within the inverter itself. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I wanna get everything tightened up and hooked up, and we're gonna show you some of the things that you can use it with. Okay, we got everything hooked up in the front and the back, and we've got the power on. So it tells you right now we've got 0 watts, battery's at 11.9. So we got good charge on the battery. So we're gonna start by, we can plug a fan in. Like I said, this is just your on off. Okay. Let me turn the fan on. Okay, and just basically telling you what wattage that we have. Like I said, it's up to 3,000 watts and up to 6,000 watt max on it. Okay. And we'll run, like I said, run charger, cell phone charger, we can hook up. So different things. You can use some of the things you can use, like I said, we had the fan plugged in. Say you want to hook up a toothbrush, charges your toothbrush. Okay, let's see what you can use. Like I said, you can hook up different things. Now, one thing I spoke of is the remote, which is nice to have. Then with this long cord, basically take that. There we go. And just sort of your way, you know, that way you don't have to go to it with this extra long cord. And then you just hit your button. And that fan just gets everything circulated. And again, that's part of that overheated. If it gets too hot, whatever, that fan will kick on to keep everything motion. like I said, we showed before, battery showing 100% and 0 watts at the battery there, and it's showing that the fan is on there. So then if I want to turn it off, just like that. Now, the thing to use it for, obviously you have the fan plugged in. Say you're out camping, you need to recharge your toothbrush, or when your laptop is low on battery, charge up the laptop. So you put the power on. Okay. Also, you've got the USB, and then you've got your Type C. A little bit, showing that that's being charged. So a lot of different things you can use it for. And I said you've got your remote if you want to plug that in also. So real multifunctional. Like I said, it's the 3,000 watt, takes your 12 volt DC and turns it into 110. Great product, a lot of power to it. I said it can run multiple things. It has that over and under voltage protection. And then overload, if you put something on, too much onto it, it's going to beep and tell you, hey, you've got too much on there. And it's good for all, like I said, different types of batteries, where it's a deep cycle, gel battery. So look for something like this. Great for camping, for hunting. Something that's maybe great for also like an ice fishing shack or something like that. Run different things on the same time. Charger, fans. Look for something like this. I would definitely recommend this product.